Hello guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure you have tried a lots of video to unlock your smartphone and still now you're not success to unlock your smartphone. So don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end, because the every step and the every method what I'm going to give you in this video is most important to unlock your smartphone. And if you have skipped a single step in this video, it means you're not going to unlock your phone is not going to unlock with this method. Okay, so watch this video till the end only, then you will be able to unlock your smartphone 100%. Further in this video I will also tell you why sometimes these type of method don't work in smartphones. Before reveal this method, one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone. The main thing is that your phone's battery should be charged at least 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. Okay, so if you're going to use this method to unlock your smartphone, you should fully battery charge at least 30%, or you may also use your smartphone charger at the time of using this unlocking method. Okay, and one of the most important thing I would also like to tell you that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this video, then don't worry at all. You may also use my next upcoming videos to unlock your smartphone, or you may also use my previous video, and for this you must subscribe to the channel. Okay, and first of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end only, then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. Okay, as you know my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be switched off, and for this simply you will have to slide your phone downside. Now you can see here there are lots of keys on the top of the phone. Okay, but you can see here there is a key of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. Simply you will have to activate this flight mode. After activating this, you can see here my phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network has been switched off. It means my phone is ready to go with the new ready to go with the master unlocking method. But before going to the master unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone, and the main thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed. And generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. Okay, so for this, every brand of service center launches some special secret code to close the background running application where your phone is locked, and these type of secret codes only valid for 1 or 2 days. Okay, so today's recent secret code what I'm going to give you, you will have to feed the secret code in your phone's dialing pad. So how will you open your dialing pad? Simply you will have to slide your phone slide your phone upside like this. Now you can see here there is an option of an emergency SOS option. Simply you will have to click on this emergency SOS option, and when you will click on this, your phone's dialing pad will be open in your phone display. You can see here. Now you will have to feed the special secret code to close the background running application, and today's the special secret code number is star 8585 then star 12789 has 000 then again has. This is the special secret code, and after feeding the secret code you will have to call on the secret code, and at the first time when you will call on this, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. Simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to do the process 3 times continuously. After doing this process 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application has been closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. After this, simply you will have to clear your call log like this. Now I am going to give you a special USSD code which will switch your phone to the master unlocking mode page, and the USSD code number is star hash 899 then hash. Now you can see here after feeding this number star hash 899 hash, a new page has been appeared, and the page's name is after sales page. Now you can see here at the 4th number the option is showing here manual test option. Simply you will have to go with this manual test option, and when you will go with this, we will reach to a new page, and the page name is engineers mode page, and you will get a 3 type of option on this page. But you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Now you can see here device debugging option has been appeared on my phone display. Sorry, just a minute, I will have to go again. Emergency SOS option, star hash 899 then hash. After this, manual test option, then again device debugging option, then again this was the last step, device debugging option. Now you can see here device debugging option has been appeared on my phone display. Now you can see here there are lots of options on the from top to bottom. You can say with me, but you can see here there is an option of a sensor self-test and calibration option at the 6th number you can see here. Now you will have to go with this option, and when you will click on this option, you can see here there are 3 type of option is showing on my phone display. It may be possible your phone will be showing here 1 option or 2 options, so don't worry at all the option whatever is showing on your smartphone, all the option will be showing here operation not started. So simply you will have to start these operation by clicking on these options, okay? And when you will click on these option, you can see here the operation has been started, but all the operation will be test failed. But you will have to continue click on this option until you get a single test passed message in green color. So I'm going to click on this option. You can see with me, test has been started, test failed. The second option, test has been started, test passed, and the third option, test has been started. Okay, now but you can see here there is a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone display. It means my phone has been, so you can see here my single test pass message has been appeared on my phone display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone. Simply I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So simply you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. Simply you will have to click on this option to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So I'm going to click here. Now you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the applications which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. So this trick really works. And if your smartphone unlocked with the help of today's video, then do like this video. And if you're facing any problem to unlocking this method, so you can also make a comment in my comment box. Our team will quick response on your issues, which type of issues you're facing with your smartphone. Thank you so much.